In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an impact sensor on your Chevy Silverado. This will be located under the vehicle behind the bumper. Let's get started. Using a 10mm socket, loosen the negative terminal on the battery. Remove the negative battery cable. Wait at least 2 minutes before working on the airbag system to let all of the power drain out. Remove the 4 10mm bolts for the bottom splash guard. There should be one right here and one right here. Ours are missing. Remove the 2 15mm bolts on the top. Remove the splash shield. We're going to use a small pick and open up the red tab for the impact sensor. Push on the tab, pull straight back, and remove the connector. Using a E5 socket, we're going to loosen the bolt for the impact sensor. The sensor is going to slide out through a keyhole. We're not going to fully remove the bolt, just loosen it. Once the bolt is loose and the front tab on the sensor pops out of the keyhole, you're able to slide that bolt forward out of this keyhole. This is that locating tab in the front. Install the impact sensor. Be sure that locator tab is in place in front. Snug the bolt down. Torque the bolt to 66 inch-pounds. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Close the red locking tab. Install the skid plate. Get the bolt started. Get the 10mm bolt started. There should be 4 of these. We only have 2. Snug the bolts down. Two at the top. Install the negative battery cable. Snug the terminal down. Give it a wiggle, make sure it doesn't move, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.